Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Uber Eats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device and then you will see the continue button. Tap on this and you will now be asked to enter your phone number or use your Apple account to log in. You can also tap on continue with email, and if you don't have an account, you can simply use either one of these methods by tapping on the appropriate continue button. You will then be asked to type your email address. Go ahead and type in your email that you prefer to use for your account. Then tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter the 4-digit code that has been sent to this email address. Just check your inbox and you will find your 4-digit code sent to you by Uber Eats. Just copy and paste this code within the given section or type it in manually, and now you will be able to create your account by tapping on the next button. You will be allowed to set up your profile and also your payment information. Once you set all of these account information, you will officially be signed up to your Uber Eats account and you can immediately start ordering. And there you have it. That is how you can sign up and create a new account on Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.